everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to have a review on this TikTok video that I found earlier in my For You page. So basically it's all about how to get the better quality video in Capcut. So for me, I'm just using Sharp Pen in Capcut, but this one is so like amazing, so I needed to try it. So here it goes. First thing first is open your Capcut and then choose the video that you want to edit. So for me, I'm gonna use my recent edit, and that is the alcohol free from Twice. And all I did next was copy all the steps that I saw in TikTok For You page.
1. Go to effects, then click comic and choose neon effect. 2. Adjust the neon effect until the very end of the video. 3. Go back to effects again, then click basic and choose blur effect. 4. Adjust the blur effect until the very end of the video. 5. Save it.
So after you're done saving your video, make sure you add the original video. Then the next thing is add overlay, which is the neon effect that we edited, and just adjust it and make it fit with the original video like this one. And the next step is go to splice and choose filter, and then just adjust opacity to at least 40. And that's it. Let's check the difference of the original video versus the edited one. Let's go! So as expected, the result was 100% legit, and I'm so happy that I found that on my For You page in TikTok. So yeah, I learned, and I hope you learned as well. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like my new posts on ZEPETO, TikTok and Instagram. Bye!